Take a look. Have you ever seen so much white smoke in your life? Once more. Out of the smoke screen I give you, Kent Shockley. Let's hear from her, baby. I hope you enjoyed Kent Shockley in the... No, don't do that. It ain't over yet. This was fun. He's going down to the right. He is going to attempt to reach speeds in excess of 350 miles per hour. Since the runway he's going to be on is just about 2¼ miles long, 12,000 feet, he's going to have a lot of room to get a lot of speed going. One of the things about a jet engine is the faster you let it go, it'll continue to go as fast as it can go. What's going to happen with Kent Shockley down here is he's about to release the brakes and he's going to accelerate very, very rapidly through over 100. Right here,